Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Gearwrench Punch Set is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic. Whether you're aligning components, removing pins, or starting holes, a reliable punch set can save you time and frustration. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Gearwrench Punch Set, exploring its features, build quality, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for your toolbox. Number 5. Starrett S565WB Drive Pin Punch Set. This Starrett Drive Pin Punch Set is well proportioned, hardened, and tempered for lasting use. It's designed for construction and other demanding tasks. The set includes various sizes to meet your needs. Each punch has its size clearly marked on the head. This makes it easy to quickly select the right tool for the job. You can easily identify the size you need. The knurled grip provides a secure hold, preventing slips during use. This allows you to insert or knock out rivets and pins with confidence. It can easily handle knocks and bumps. These punches are used to insert or knock out rivets and pins in assemblies. They are available in a variety of types. They have a metal shank on one end and a metal pin driver on the other. Proudly made in the USA, this set combines American heritage with quality. It delivers exceptional performance and is built to last. You can trust its reliability. What we like. This set features a knurled grip, providing a secure hold for precise work. Each punch has its size clearly marked, saving you time and effort. If you value American-made quality and precision, this set is an excellent choice for your toolkit. What people say. The shafts are very nicely knurled and the punch tips are precisely squared off and sturdy. Punches feel nice in the hand and work well. This is a super high-quality set. Nice and solid, with some weight to it. Knurled handles for easy gripping. Number 4. Gearwrench 12-Piece Punch and Chisel Set 82305. This chisel is designed for tough jobs. It's perfect for cutting through rivets, bolts, and nuts. It makes the task much easier. Use this pin punch for the final removal of pins and rivets. It helps to drive them out completely. This ensures a clean finish. Need to mark center lines or pilot drill locations? This center punch is the tool for the job. It helps you get precise and accurate markings. This long taper punch is great for installing and removing pins and shafts. It can also align holes. This makes the process much more efficient. This starter punch is ideal for starting and installing pins and rivets. It provides the initial force needed. It is a must-have tool. What we like. This set includes various punch types for diverse tasks, from cutting rivets to aligning holes. The chrome finish adds durability and ease of cleaning. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to tackle a wide range of projects, this one is a great option. What people say. The punches are well made and have a good finish. They work great for driving out pins and other uses. The set has a good selection of sizes. Number 3. Gearwrench 4-Piece Long Taper Punch Set, 82307. Introducing the Gearwrench 4-Piece Long Taper Punch Set. This set is designed for precision and durability, making it a must-have for any toolbox. The striking end is softened and tapered. This design reduces the chance of chipping, ensuring the tool's longevity and safety. These punches are built to last. They are made with high-quality materials and designed for repeated use in tough conditions. The ground surface finish makes them easy to identify. You can quickly find the right punch for the job, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your toolkit with the Gearwrench 4-Piece Long Taper Punch Set. It's a reliable and efficient solution for your needs. What we like. The softened and tapered striking end reduces chipping, ensuring longevity. The ground surface finish enhances easy identification. If you prioritize durability and ease of use, you should consider this set for your needs. What people say. The punches are well made and the knurling is a nice touch. They have held up well to use. The set is a great value and the case is nice. Number 2. TOMMARS Punch Kit 14 PCS 5mm to 35mm. This punch kit is made with alloy steel, ensuring it resists corrosion and maintains a sharp blade. It provides excellent cutting performance. It's designed for durability and precision. The pinpoint is spring-loaded, retracting into the handle when punching. This feature makes it easy to create holes. You can also remove it for cutting discs without a center hole. This kit is multi-applicable and very easy to use. It's best for materials up to 5mm thick. The spring-loaded pinpoint simplifies the whole punching process, and it's removable. It offers a wide range of sizes, from 3/16 to 1 to 3/8. This variety ensures you have the right size for your project. The kit provides versatility for different needs. The package includes 13 hole cutters and a spring-loaded pinpoint punch shaft. It also comes with a good quality plastic case for easy transport and safe storage. This makes organization and access quick and easy. What we like. Made from alloy steel, this kit offers excellent cutting performance. The spring-loaded pinpoint makes hole creation easy. If you frequently work with leather or gaskets and need a variety of hole sizes, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The punches are well made and have a good finish. They work great for driving out pins and other uses. The set comes in a nice case to keep them organized. Number 1. Gearwrench 5PC Pin Punch Set, 82309. This set is designed for the final removal of pins and rivets. It helps you drive them out with ease. This tool will make your work more efficient. The striking end is softened and tapered. This design reduces the potential for chipping. It ensures the tool's durability and your safety. The ground surface allows for easy identification. You can quickly find the right size for the job. This feature saves you time and effort. The working ends are precision hardened. This feature ensures the tool's strength and longevity. You can rely on it for tough jobs. With this set, you'll have the right tool for the job. It's a reliable addition to any toolbox. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This set is specifically designed for the final removal of pins and rivets. The softened striking end minimizes chipping, and the precision-hardened ends ensure durability. If you need a reliable set for detailed work, you should consider this one. What people say. The punches are well made and have a good finish. They work great for driving out pins and other uses. The set comes in a nice case to keep them organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.